What's up, guys? Today we are going to make this delicious offals, tripe, byenda. In Uganda we call it byenda. So I'm going to show you exactly how to make this. We are eating it with matoke today. So first is get your byenda and wash it thoroughly. Wash it thoroughly. I don't know how many rounds of washing I have done. Make sure you wash it thoroughly. And it's not recommended to pour the water in the sink. So for me, I'm doing so because I have a liquid that I use to clean my sink just to avoid the smell. So be sure you wash it multiple times. So after washing it, I'm just going to slice it the African way and make sure I continue to wash it multiple tries and then rinse it multiple times. I'll put some water in it and add some salt and garlic powder, and thereafter let it cook for about 1.5 hours or even 2 hours or longer. While on the other hand, I'll be peeling my matoke. So after peeling, I'll just get the trash away. Then come back and wash the matoke thoroughly. And after washing, I'll just put some water in it and then put it to boil slowly while our byenda is also cooking. So you can see it has boiled, and also the matoke is ready as well. So I'll sprinkle some salt and make sure the water is a lot so that it doesn't dry. And our byenda is now ready, so I'll be cutting onions and tomatoes. So after that, I'll assemble my spices: black pepper, garlic powder, cumin, and roiko. You can see them ready there, and also some curry. So now it's time to fry. So I'll put another saucepan and add vegetable oil. When it's ready, I'll add my onions. Let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add your tomatoes, cover it, and also let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. So now it's ready. We're going to add some black pepper. We shall add some cumin, add some curry as well. Then mix it. Then we shall put 1 sachet of our roiko and then add the byenda. Remember, there is some stock that we have kept, so we are going to fry it for just a few minutes and then add the remaining roiko. Mix well. After mixing, then we add the stock that we kept. So now let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. And now you can see our soup is thick and it's ready to serve. I told you we are serving it with our matoke, so here you can see our boiled matoke is ready and hot right from the fire. By the way, you can serve it with anything else, with posho. So here is our offals, our byenda, and it's very delicious. You can eat this for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe for more cooking videos.